This is a question that I get asked all the time. When should I hire an EA, an executive assistant? When should I hire a VA? When should I hire a project manager? It all kind of falls into the same category. But virtual assistants or even in-person executive assistant or just an administrative assistant, this is usually my first hire. The reason is because I don't want to absorb all my day and all my time doing time consuming tasks that are task driven, that I want to be able to focus on the strategic side, growing, doing presentations like this, and not have to deal with, oh, what I can't automate, I need to do manually. Even though I can do it, should I be doing it? And I need to ask myself that question, which is why I typically hire VAs or an executive assistant as my first hire for my last couple of businesses. Now, in the second bullet, the one thing that I would definitely say is I made this mistake too often as well when I was hiring this type of team member. And it's essentially the expectation of an assistant is that they're assisting you and that they want to take on task-driven workloads and tasks to get it done. I would develop relationships and go, wow, they're really great. They're smart. And then I'd start asking strategic questions and it would fall. It just wouldn't work. It did not go well. But the more task-driven work that I gave with following all the other things that I put together in this presentation, with doing the looms, giving complete requests, setting the expectations on priorities, all the items that we talked about in the first section with delegation, that's when this really hums. And then all of a sudden, that huge time-consuming part of your day is handled by a lower cost, typically resource that can get stuff done and do it well and report back to you and get you what you need while you're doing the higher value, more strategic driven items.